Gauri, one of the Georgia's most historic cities, is both a cultural treasure and a gateway to the landmarks like the Stalin Museum and Apli Cave City. Whether you are in town for history, nature, or simply a restful stop on your journey through Georgia, Gauri offers accommodations that are warm, comfortable, and full of character. The first one is Gauri Apartments. This apartment style hotel offers a mix of modern comfort and home like atmosphere, making it one of the best rated stays in Gauri. Guests appreciate the spacious, well decorated rooms equipped with clean kitchens and cozy furnishings. The central locations allow quick access to the major attractions, including the Stalin Museum and Gauri Fortress. Helpful staff provide local guidance and ensure smooth check-in, creating a perfect balance of independence and hospitality. The second one is Chateau Atene Cottages. Located a short drive from Gori, Chateau Atene Cottages offer a nature-inspired escape surrounded by greenery and fresh air. The cottages are beautifully built with spacious interiors, wooden entrance, and modern facilities that blend comfort with rustic charm. Guests particularly love the peaceful gardens, mountain views, and the quiet environment ideal for families or groups. It's a retreat that feels fair, removed from the bustle of the city, yet still connected to its cultural heartbeat. The third one is Diswell Yubanchi. Diswell Yubanchi is a cozy boutique style in place for its attention to detail and relaxing environment. Rooms are thoughtfully furnished with modern decor and clean facilities, while large windows offer scenic views of the surrounding hills. Guest highlights the helpfulness of the host who provide personalized accommodations for dining and sightseeing. The claim ambience make it a favorite among travelers looking for comfort and authenticity in equal measure. The fourth one is Gauri Inn. A modern full-service hotel, Gauri Inn caters to both leisure and business travelers with its wide range of amenities. The property includes comfortable rooms, a wine cellar, and even an indoor pool for relaxation after sightseeing. Guests love the well-prepared breakfast, attractive staff, and central location that make exploring the city easy. The hotel's blend of Georgian tradition and contemporary service make it stand out as a polished choice in Gauri. The fifth one is Georgia Gold. Georgia Gold offer a family-friendly stay with facilities such as fitness center, indoor pool, and on-site restaurant. The rooms are spacious and clean, providing everything from free Wi-Fi to comfortable bedding and modern bathrooms. Guests appreciate the location, which allow convenient access to Goa's historic sites as well as the welcoming staff go out of their ways to ensure satisfaction. It's a reliable option for families and longer stays. The next one is Royal House. Royal House is a comfortable mid-range option known for its quiet garden setting and seasonal outdoor pool. Rooms are designed with simple decor but provide all the essentials for a pleasant stay, including air conditioning and reliable Wi-Fi. Guests enjoy the claim residential location while still staying close to the city center. The next one is Astana Palace. Astana Palace adds a touch to elegance with its four-star layout, including a spacious terrace, indoor restaurant, and bar. Guests note the helpfulness of the staff who make check-in smooth and cater to special requests. Its peaceful location just outside the central bus make it an appealing retreat for those wanting both comfort and quiet. The next one is Anna's Guest House. This family-run guest house offers a warm and authentic Georgian stay where guests are often treated like extended family. Rooms are large, neat, and come with traditional furnishing that make the space feel cozy. For travelers wanting cultural immersion and a personal touch, Anash is an unforgettable experience. The second last is Victoria Hotel. Victoria Hotel provides simple yet dependable accommodations at a fair price. The rooms are functional with essential amenities suited for short stays or transit travelers. It's a practical choice for those who want straightforward lodging close to Gauri's main road and attraction. The last one is Ranch in Variani. Located just outside Gore in the village of Variani, this property offers a countryside escape with plenty of spaces for families. Rooms are comfortable, designed for longer stays, and provide a quiet break from the city life. It's ideal for travelers who want to experience Georgia's rural hospitality while remaining within reach of Gore. Goryeo accommodations are as diverse as its history, ranging from modern hotels with full-service facilities to intimate guest houses that immerse you in Georgian hospitality.